Nathan's getting map picks. Got ThyssenKrupp Aurora here.
For a second there, I was like, I don't want to get a copyright strike, and I don't know if it's pictures.
Yeah, get a copyright strike on your personal photographs.
So we heard that in the background of this photo there was some music.
That didn't sound good.
Nope. Sounded incredible.
Oh, there's even stuff down here. This is a very multi-tenant building. Oh, look at that. There's stuff over there.
This is like the lounge.
I see.
Interesting. This is what most modern like offices are kind of moving towards.
Quiet motor.
Yes, almost dead silence as typical for TK and over.
Oh my god.
Except for the sounds of the crunching in the walls. That's not quiet at all.
Yeah, this definitely
This
sounds a little creaky.
This is an interesting building.
Yeah.
Aurora fixtures. So
We're
it's
not
old.
in Aurora though.
Yes. It's an older elevator for a building that's like all new style too.
Yeah, this is like 2000s, like 2005 or something. Oh my god. Creaky, creaky.
This thing is dangerous.
Yeah, no kidding. There's no desk there. Anyway, that is all.